Time period of oscillation of pendulum depends on mass of the bob, length of the pendulum and acceleration due to gravity. Now derive the expression for time period. Here time period depends on mass to the power A, length to the power B and acceleration due to gravity to the power C. So T is equal to K m to the power A, L to the power B, G to the power C, where K is constant. Now we will write the dimension of all various physical quantities. Time period, so dimension is m0, L0, T1 for mass, m1, L0, T0 for length, m0, L1, T0 for acceleration due to gravity, meter per second square. So m0, L1, T minus 2. Now we will put all the values in this equation. Time period m0, L0, T1 is equal to K, m means m1, L0, T0 and raised to A, then L means m0, L1, T0 power B, G means m0, L1, T minus 2 power C. So we can write K here, m to the power A, here L to the power B and here L to the power C and T to the power minus C. So it is K, now m to the power A, here L to the power B and L to the power C. So L, B plus C, T minus 2. Here same m0, L0, T1. Now we will compare power of mass, length and time. So here we can write A is equal to 0, B plus C is equal to 0 and minus 2 is equal to, here minus 2C will come now, minus 2C is equal to 1. So A is 0, we got 1, right? Here C is equal to minus 1/2. Put the value of C here. So B minus 1/2 is equal to 0. So B is equal to 1/2. We got A, B and C. Now we will put in this equation. So time period is equal to K, mass power A 0, length B is equal to 1/2, G, C is equal to minus 1/2. Experimentally the value of constant K is 2 pi. So it is 2 pi. M0 means 1, L 1/2, G minus 1/2. So we can write in under root L by G. So this is the final expression.